In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Figma desktop app step by step. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, ensuring your software is always up to date is crucial for accessing the latest features and improvements that Figma has to offer. So, let's get into it and make sure your Figma workstation is ready for action. First, open your web browser and navigate to Figma's official website. If you're already familiar with Figma, you know it's a powerful collaborative interface design tool used by millions around the globe. Once you're on the website, look for the login option, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials. It's a good practice to keep your password secure and never share your login details. After logging in, you'll be directed to Figma's home screen. This is the central hub for all your projects, where you can access recent files and manage your designs. It's essential to always start from the home screen, as this is where you'll find the necessary options to update your app. Look towards the upper section of this screen for your profile icon. This is typically a small circle with either your initials or a profile picture if you've uploaded one. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with several options related to your account. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you want to select the option labeled Get Desktop App. This is a key step. Making sure you're on the latest version of Figma ensures you have the best performance and access to the most recent features they have introduced. After clicking on Get Desktop App, a page will load with a clear highlighted download button for either Windows or Mac OS, depending on your operating system. This page might also detail the latest updates and features that come with the new version of the app. Clicking this download button will start the downloading process. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once your download completes, locate the installer file on your computer. Usually it will appear in your default downloads folder. Open the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. For many users, this is simply a case of hitting Next to navigate through the installer. If prompted, grant any system permissions required for the installation to proceed. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your Figma desktop app. By keeping your software up to date, you're equipped with the latest tools to bring your creative visions to life. Enjoy designing.